Good day. My name is Dr. Mark Chetty. I'm from the National Department of Basic Education, and I'm here today to contribute to a very important workshop that the KwaZulu-Natal Department of Education has held to look at strengthening foundational learning and to refocus learning outcomes on a system-wide approach. I was glad to be offered the opportunity to make a presentation in this regard and how we can look at the efficient use of assessment data to improve learning outcomes. This ties in with the strategic objectives of the workshop, which the province is really looking towards. How can they improve in the earlier grades literacy and numeracy rates in line with the good performance that they're observing at the grade 12 level? And the commissions that have been designed will further investigate this matter and come up with viable and tangible action plans. And I'm glad that the National Department has been invited to make a meaningful contribution in this regard.